everyone. I am Roberto III Tipan Bermudez and I'm currently studying for my Bachelor in Education. Welcome to my vlog. Today I am going to talk a little bit about something that's super important in today's world, which is ICT or Information and Communication Technology, and why it is matter to all of us. So let's start with basics. What exactly is ICT? Simply put, ICT is any kind of technology that helps us information. This includes things like computers, smartphones, the internet, and even social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, basically anything that helps us to communicate and shares ideas. Now, as someone who's studying to be a teacher, I can tell you that ICT is a game changer in education. When I was growing up, learning was all about books and blackboards, but today students can learn from anywhere in the world thanks to the things like online games, classes like apps and video. It's amazing how technology has made education so much more accessible. As a future teacher, this is something I really appreciate. Imagine being able to connect with students from different parts of the community or even the world using video calls or educational website, and it's not just about sitting in front of the computers all day. ICT makes learn more fun, interactive. Students can now use apps, games, and even virtual reality to explore subject in ways that weren't possible before. But ICT doesn't just affect education. It's anywhere in healthcare. For example, doctors use digital tools to keep track of patients, record and even do remote consultations. Business use technology to communicate with customers, sells product online, and keep things running smoothly. In fact, without ICT, a lot of industries would be able to function as they do today. Of course, with all the great things ICT brings, there are also some challenges. For one, not everyone has access to same technology. This is called digital divide. Some people don't have reliable internet of the latest device, which can relate inequality, especially in education. Other issue is privacy. We share so much of our personal lives online, and it's really important to stay safe and protect your information. As a future teachers, it's our job not only use ICT in the classroom, but to also teach students how to use responsibly. That means making sure that they understand how to stay safe online, how to think critically about the information they find, and how to use technology for good. To wrap it up, ICT has more than just a tool. It's a big part of how we learn, work, and communicate today. It's everywhere from school to business to healthcare, and it's shaping our future. So as an educator, it's important that we embrace it and make sure everything has a change to benefits from it. Thanks for watching. I hope you find this blog helpful, and I can't wait to share more with you and